Okay, so here are your instructions for the task today. I have my task card open for this assignment. So today's task card is U2C5. How does it grow? Continued. So, in this first part of class, we've already taken notes on how to write an equation. So, I'm going to go ahead and scroll past that. Your instructions for today are to continue the task from Monday and then build on it. So, number one, you need to first click on your team's Jamboard to get started. I'm going to pretend like I'm on team one. I'm going to open up the Jamboard. If you've not done so already, you need to complete your assigned pattern, table, and graph. Remember, you need to graph all the patterns on page 5 of the Jamboard. So I haven't looked at this group yet, but look, they finished, they drew it, filled it in, found the growth rate and starting value. Awesome. And then the last step is to graph on here. So all groups need to graph their pattern on the same graph. So when you end today, you should have something that looks like this, right? 3 lines representing the 3 different patterns. Okay, so that's the first part of today, which is finishing what we did Monday. Once your group finishes the graph and the patterns from Monday, you're going to work with your team to complete the problems on the task card. So today, we're going to analyze the similarities and differences between those 3 patterns, between this, this, and this. So first, you're going to look at the graph. Then you're going to go ahead and write an equation in for each of the patterns. You're going to compare them, and then that is part 3. Part 4, if you have time today, is practicing writing equations based off of patterns, tables, and graphs. So, with that, I know those instructions could have potentially been confusing. So, if you have questions, go ahead and drop them in the chat. We are going to get into our breakout rooms and get started.